Hi guys, my name is Jersey and today's video I'm gonna talk about the effects of technology on the environment. So before we start talking about that, I just want to share with you like a concept of technology and that caught my attention. So what is technology? The most accurate description of technology is the analysis of the transformation of human-made metals, equipment, and machines. Humans can research and develop the physical elements in their lives thanks to technology. So it's like not a secret for us that technology is all around the world and it's into our lives, in our everyday life. We always have like technology around us, and it's just our world. But it's not about like, oh, let's go back to the Stone Age. I mean, this is not what it's about, what this video is about. So I just want to talk about the effects of the environment that all of this technology that we have and we really love causes. So the first thing that I want to talk about is the meaning of the minerals. So I'm not pretty sure, but do you guys know that all the materials that we use to create all the devices that we have every day, our computers, our phones, our tablets, they are made of minerals and metals. And well, yeah, I just think that it's really important to consider what materials went into making them first in the first place. So and also where those materials came from, because yeah, we use all of those resources and precious metals to get and to make all of these electronic devices and other modern technology that we use every day. But the materials, it's not the end of this issue that we're having right now, because it's not only about where the materials came from, it's also about the manufacturers that they require a lot of energy to put all the pieces together to get all the devices for us. And yeah, all this massive energy turn them to a complex electronic devices for us cost a lot of CO2 or carbon for us. So yeah, that's something that we need to think about. We need to to discuss about. And also I want to talk about the environment pollution that it's also created for by the factories that I just told you about, and the degradation of lands, because so all the factories around us that are working to get us what we want are quarrying of stone, sand, and mineral. So that really affects our lands. And also the air and water pollution, because of the same factories that create all the devices that we like. So this is kind of weird, and yeah, that we're not like really doing anything to fix this, to get this fixed. So that's what I really want, or that I really wish that the government can put their hands into this issue, this problem that we're going through. because it's not only about the present, it's not only about today, it's about our future, it's about our nature, it's about our environment. And the government just has to do something to get this done. I mean, as I was saying before, it's not about to go back to the stone age. It's about to go to the future and see and figure out how we can solve this. So this is what I want to share with you today. I hope you guys like this video. Bye bye.